Jessica found the typewriter in a dusty corner of the antique shop. It was a beautiful relic, heavy and wrought with iron, keys clinking satisfyingly under her fingers. She brought it home, excited to write her next novel with it. That night, she sat at the typewriter, fingers poised. But before she could begin, the keys started moving on their own, clacking rhythmically. "Help me," it typed. Jessica's breath caught in her throat. She stared, heart pounding. Curiosity overcoming fear, she asked aloud, "Who are you?" The keys clattered again. Trapped, murdered. The room grew colder. Jessica shivered, feeling icy fingers brush her neck. "How can I help?" she whispered. The typewriter responded, "Find my body." An address appeared, one she recognized, the abandoned house on Elm Street. The next day, compelled by a force she couldn't resist, Jessica went to the house. In the basement, she found a hidden room and the skeletal remains of a woman. The air grew thick with whispers, and she saw the apparition of a woman, eyes pleading. Jessica called the authorities. The spirit of the murdered woman lingered until the police arrived, then vanished. Back home, the typewriter sat silent. Jessica's relief was short-lived. As she prepared for bed, the typewriter clicked again. "Thank you." A pause. "Now it's your turn."